What's up, guys? We're gonna try some fishing today with the Senko. This one's a little beat up, so I really don't expect any takers on this one. It's on its last leg, so we'll give it a shot anyway. But it's fall fishing in New England. Fall fishing and football, food, friends. Doesn't get better, guys. And if you're watching these videos, what's your favorite football team? Drop a comment below. But I was in here a couple of days ago using the Ned rig, and just they were hammering it left and right. So I might switch to that. And this is just a Texas rig, weightless, with a beat up 5-inch Senko on it, just jet black. A little bit of wind, which is kind of what we want. But if I was to guess, this time of year, they're going to be pushed up against something to stay warm. The conditions change dramatically from overnight till mid-afternoon. So here in New England, it's 35 degrees at night, and then it warms up to 80 degrees by the afternoon. So it's hard to really work off a pattern. We got something here playing with it. Hey, we got a sardiner. So on football Sunday, this is what we would call a field goal. Easy, Junior. But we got a good hook set right in the lip, not necessarily in the nose. But if you look at the color on these fish, guys, it's actually beautiful. Nice little guy. And even he's stocking up. He's got a pretty decent sized belly on him. But first one of the day on the beat up Senko, and you know, you can't beat it. Fish this time of year are really hard to catch, so I greatly appreciate you coming out to play, and let's get you back in the water. It's a bit of a drop, but we'll be gentle about it, and off she goes. So thanks for playing. That didn't take long. I do think I'm going to freshen up the Senko though, guys. So stay tuned, and let's hope to catch a bigger one.